really depends on how much traffic there is for that keyword. Like
Yep.
my fear is if you bump it up, let's say to $30 a day for that campaign, and you're bidding on a keyword which might be attracting listeners of it rather than players of jazz. So what I would do is I would, starting out, just focus on really that bottom of funnel keywords like jazz, guitar tutorials, that kind of stuff. And by looking at the placements of the titles, like I said before,
Yep.
and not kind of going top of funnel keyword. And it might be the bid strategy. So I would do a manual cost per view bid strategy, and try and just cap it at 10 cents a view.
Mm-hmm.
Because if you're doing automated bidding, especially starting out, Google doesn't have enough data and they can massively overpay,
Okay.
And so that's another thing to watch for. And yeah, in the beginning, you are kind of buying data, but like I know when I started YouTube ads for my own business, my keyword campaign was not profitable in the beginning.
Right.
And as soon as I bought enough data and switched to target CPA bidding, my cost per conversion went massively down. So so my manual cost per CPV campaign was unprofitable. As soon as I switched to that with the same keywords, it was profitable. So Google's automated bidding will kind of, I'm confident, will get you there. But I had a good selection of keywords and I had a good video that was like a real message to market match,
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
So you might someone might not be interested in a 30-day challenge, so if I were you, like I would also experiment with some kind of free offer or something.
Oh, okay, sure.
Because not everyone's going to want to enroll in a paid challenge. And so it might not be a keyword issue. It might not be a bidding issue. It might be an offer issue.